Kinetic Sounds video. Kinetic Sand. Whoa. This kinetic sand is hard. Kylan, get off your iPad. Well, we do something really funny with this kinetic sand. So see this? This is supposed to be a frog. See? Frogs aren't that funny, but they're kind of funny. And this one is a fat frog, but it's gonna have a butt. So I need to get something from the secret knife stash. Got everything from the secret knife stash. So let's put in the weights. This is gonna be really funny for the video. I think this is gonna be your favorite video. This is my favorite video on This is my favorite video on YouTube. I was gonna say channels, but YouTube is better than anything. And I'm gonna try to put myself on Netflix and then find a video. He doesn't know how to sound out. What? Austin doesn't. I'm gonna make a video of Austin not knowing anything for YouTube. Then everybody is gonna give me 2 million views on that too. Now let's put the eyes and the mouth. You're taking every bit of kinetic sand. Do you have a spine? Do you have a spine? Let's see if you have a spine. Okay, I don't see your spine. Time to die. Here. Wasn't that funny? Yeah, time to die. Time to die, you little frog. Hey, kill the fish. Kill the fish. If you want to make a fish, you can kill it. But how can I make a fish? I'm gonna make a pie out of kinetic sand. So let's do this kinetic sand video. So let me make a big pie. It's gonna be so huge. If I can make this into a perfect circle. Austin doesn't know how to do anything. Yeah. If your name is Austin, then don't worry. Austin's over there, and he doesn't know anything. But if your name is Austin and you know lots of things, that's fine. But Austin over there, he doesn't know anything. Okay? Okay. Would Austin watch this video? What? Would Austin watching this video? He doesn't even know how to get on my page. Oh, what if he types in your name on accident? Hey!
How you doing, my friend?
Good.
And what are you doing? Are you spining your frog?
No, I'm making a pie.
A yummy pie.
Yeah,
Blueberry pie.
and it's for you. It's frog with poo-poo with a dash of caca. And the last part, caca, means Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola? Yeah.
You have way more sand than I do.
What?
You have way more sand than I do.
How? Here.
Thanks.
Now we have the same amount.
I'm making a cake.
Yeah, let's make a cake.
Wait,
I'm pooping with the dash of caca. Cake with pooping with the dash of caca.
what's coffee?
Coca-Cola.
Oh,
Caca means Coca-Cola.
what is this?
Boom. Boom. Okay, let me just make the cake batter. Let's slice the... We gotta work fast so the cake doesn't get rotten or raw. Or so we gotta work fast. We gotta get more. We gotta work fast. Hey, I need a spoon. Hey, nope. Hey, I need that. Okay. We gotta work fast to make this cake.
Yeah.
Okay, here's a mold. That mold goes in the cake. Perfect.
You're putting mold in there?
No, a mold. Like a mold. Like this is a mold. Right?
Oh, I thought you meant like mold. Like when it's old mold.
No, I mean like a mold, like that. It's like a certain type of shape. Because I don't know how to explain all the other parts. But now I need a little spoon. A small spoon. So tiny. We're just gonna put that. Now it has eyes. And then well, nice, because I got 7 minutes to be on my phone to make videos for YouTube. So I get 2 million views. Because I want 2 million views. But I got 100, and that's a lot. So that's why I like my channel.
Why I unpacked my whole house and still was like, hey. This one?
You can have any slice.
I'm full. I'm so full.
Hey, if you're so full, I'm making another cake if you're full. If you're full, I'm making more so I get extra full. So you get enough food to make a baby. And then we can feed it cake, the baby cake.
Yes.
When it pops out of her tummy, when the baby does it. So that's why we're giving her so much food so the baby comes out. Got the kinetic sand. And I'm on YouTube. Did you bring your iPad?
Yeah.
I can show you how to make a YouTube video. And that's the end. So like, subscribe, and turn on post notifications. Bye.